What is up guys, today I'll be showing you how to draw a head from the side view, or as some call it, the profile view. Okay, let's start. I start by roughly outlining a circle that I can base my head on. Next step involves cutting the sides of the sphere and trying to envision it in your head as a 3D object. Start rotating it in order to envision the profile view more accurately. Next, start cutting in half the top, the sides, and the front of the sphere for guideline purposes. You can now add the jawline, nose, and eyes. For the ears that require a lot of anatomy memory, you can let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on ear anatomy. But for now, let us go on. Next, I add a hairline and I slap some hair on top. And the rest is just me adding some customizations and tiny decisions that affect the final outlook of this sketch. If this tutorial helped, subscribe and like. I try to upload a video every week, so stick around. By the way, my name is Pain11. Go check out my art on Instagram, link is in the description.